Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today's 30 days of Indonesia, again I didn't make any Indonesian traditional sweets, but to break my fast today I made some chocolate chip cookies using my sourdough starter. What can I say, I love using my sourdough starter for everything, so I tried making cookies and I'm gonna give it a try later on when it's time to break the fast. But the boys and my husband said it's pretty good, so I can't wait. Check out the video for the recipe and I'll see you soon. Bye! So what I have here is 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour with ½ teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix it. What I have here is ½ cup of olive oil based margarine. We're gonna melt it slightly and then we're gonna add in molasses and sugar. So I melted it in microwave for 15 seconds so it's partially melted, and then add ¼ cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of fancy molasses. Don't forget your vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoon. I love Mexican blend because the flavor is just beautiful. So we're just gonna whisk it with our balloon whisk until it's completely mixed, and then we're gonna mix in the flour mixture, the dry ingredients. If you like, you can add a pinch of ginger powder, but you can omit that. It's just gonna give a little kick, it's not too much, so maybe you won't even taste it. We're gonna add in our dry ingredients a little at a time. And then we're gonna fold in our dairy-free chocolate chips. So I added it about 1/3 cup to ½ cup. I actually just added what I have in the pantry, this and that. This would be nice with cashew too, if you have cashew. I'm just gonna cut it in until they are mixed nicely. Now with your cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, you just want to drop by 1 cookie scoop to your parchment lined baking pan. Repeat these steps until all cookie dough used up. Once scooped to the baking sheet, you just want to kind of flatten it a bit with a fork, or shape it round as well nicely. Smells. I can smell the ginger, but again you can omit the ginger. Then sprinkle some coarse salt on the top, but mine is pretty big so I just pressed 1 each so it's not too salty. But if your coarse salt is smaller size than mine, you can sprinkle a little on top so it's like salted chocolate chips. Now that the oven is ready, we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. It's cooling now. In the end, I baked them for 12 minutes in total.